Hey y'all, welcome to another grocery haul. Today
my mom if she relaxes.
No, she's not. Today we did a Walmart grocery pickup, so we're gonna show y'all what we have, and Courtney's gonna help me out.
I'm eating goldfish.
Yeah, they did not give us our goldfish in the order they were out.
So we bought them at Dollar General.
We stopped by Dollar General and got those. So.
First grocery item.
But now we'll show you what we got in our Walmart grocery pickup.
Alright, so starting over here, we have French vanilla creamer, the big bottle. And then we have these P3 portable protein packs, turkey, ham, and cheddar. We have 2 of those for lunches, probably for mom.
Yes.
Then we have some Lysol Clean and Fresh multi-surface cleaner.
I went to mop the floor and realized I had no floor cleaner, so we're gonna try this one.
And then we got the Starbucks iced coffee, medium roast, unsweetened. Mom likes making this in the mornings. And then we have just some restaurant-style white corn tortilla chips, because we're planning on making nachos one day this week. Then we have some Smart Food white cheddar popcorn, because I bought some at Dollar General, and Mom's like, ooh, that's good.
Yeah.
And then we got this bead organizer, because my friend's birthday is coming up, and she loves making bracelets, and I wanted to make her a bead container with our Cricut machine. Then we have some Bounty napkins. And then Mom has this fridge and freezer organizer.
Yeah, and then I forgot I had ordered a set of those from Amazon, so oh well.
Mom has so many containers.
I'm in a container like mood for everything.
Okay, and then we have some shredded hash browns. The bag. We have one of those. And then we have these King's Hawaiian mini sub rolls. These are really good for sandwiches. And then we have Nature's Own butter bread. This is our favorite bread to get. Then we have some French's fried onions.
Yeah.
And then we have Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion, because I had a trial size one and it was so good, so I wanted to get the bigger one. So I got the bigger one. And then we have 2 bags of mild cheddar cheese, some slices of Velveeta original cheese, Snuggle dryer sheets. Back here we have Manwich original.
I did not realize I bought such a big O jar or big O can. I thought I got smaller ones, so we got 2 of those big cans.
2 of those. And then we have like 6 cans of tomato paste. Let me start.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce, not tomato paste. And then we have 5 of these little baby bells, because they were out of the big bag, so we just got 5 individual. And then we have some Hormel chili with beans. And then we have some Italian seasoning. And then this red enchilada sauce, we have 4 of those. But a lot of potatoes we have.
I like to have these for easy like sides.
We have sour cream and chives, roasted garlic. We have like 3 of the loaded baked potato, 2 of the baby reds, and then 3 of the buttery homestyle. Speaking of buttery homestyle, we have some butter flavored syrup.
And that stuff over here was from another shopping trip that is not part of this one, but
then we have some of these extra wide egg noodles. Then we got quite a bit of tuna.
I got you some of those packages like that.
Chunk light tuna and water. I might take this for lunch tomorrow.
And then
Then Mom got these lunch to goes. It comes with all the stuff you need. Really cool.
Yep.
And then we have some sugar.
And the stuff that you see behind here, I bought last week at Walmart.
And then we have
that was from Dollar
paper
General.
towels.
That was not from today, but I did buy some more organizer kits. This was the laundry kit. I bought this last week. It has 2 of this size, and then it has 2 of these other ones and a little turntable. And then the other last thing that we got was water. So
yeah, that's our grocery haul.
thanks for watching.
Bye.
Oops, one more thing. I set this to the side. I did get a package of thin sliced chicken breast.
Now we're done.